What's up guys, we're back again today with another great video, and in today's video we're actually going to do some trunk organization on the Highlander. Our great friends over at CarTrimHome has sent us out another product to show you guys, so let's go ahead and jump into the video. Alright, so we've got our Highlander trunk open, and as you guys can see, we actually have this little basket right here that we keep, you know, like our Enu in. We've got a tool bag. She's got some different sunscreen, bottles of water, a blanket, just items like that that some people might keep in the back of their cars. And as you can see, this basket, even though we have these mats, sometimes it'll slide around in here, so it's kind of annoying. One thing that CarTrimHome has done, which is really nice, let me move this up right here, or actually I'll just take it out, is they have actually made a bin that goes right here. So this is what it looks like factory underneath here, and as you guys can see, there's a bunch of room right here not being used for anything, because you know you've got all your stuff to change your tire, you got your jack and stuff underneath here, but all this space is just kind of open. So you've got all this space in here, but stuff's still going to slide around back and forth. So CarTrimHome has came up with a great solution right here. As you guys can see, this bin actually just slides in, and let me get this out right here. Very simple, easy install. It literally just drops in just like that, and then now you have all this space, but you have little slots in between, so the stuff won't slide around in here and be annoying in the back. So now I'm going to go ahead and take all this stuff out of this basket right here and put it in here and show you guys how it'll look with all the items in there. And then now you're going to have your full trunk space up here, because as you guys can see, shut everything back down and you can't even tell it's in there. So let's go ahead and we'll put some stuff in there. I'll show you guys all the stuff it can hold. Alright, so as you guys can see, I emptied the basket that she had in the car, and this is all the items right here. So we've got our booster cables here, we've got some bottles of water, she had some umbrellas in there, an extra change of clothes, sunscreen, a power pack to charge phones and stuff, some lady supplies. She's got her tanning stuff right here, the Enu and everything went right here. Our tool bag is here, and a blanket here. So as you guys can see, everything in that basket did fit in this little storage piece. And now the only thing you got to do is fold this back down, close it, flip this back down, and as you guys can see, just like that, now everything that was there is underneath and hidden, and you don't have to worry about that basket going back and forth in the car. So super nice setup, and it actually gives us a lot more space back here. And then even when we're wanting to fold up the third row, you don't have to worry about moving that basket back and forth. And then the basket's sitting right here with the third row up, you've only got this small amount of space right here to put, you know, groceries in or stuff like that. So it'll give us a lot more space in the back, and then we still have some of our supplies we need in case, let's say, you get in an accident or the car won't start, stuff like that. We'll have all that underneath. And one of the other great things I'll show you guys right here is you can actually still get to all your tire changing stuff really easy. So you'll just flip it back up like this, and you can grab it on either end, just like that, and you can sit it out, and then you can still get to all your stuff to be able to change your tires, do whatever you need to do on the side of the road, or if you have a flat, whatever. And then you can just grab this, set it right back in there, put everything back down, and then you're good to go. So that's one nice feature about it too, is you are able to take this out really quick and easy in case of emergency, in case of a flat tire, something like that. It still lets you, you know, access that stuff pretty quickly without having to do anything crazy. Also, I want to give you guys kind of a little update on these lights up here. Obviously in the same kind of situation, if you had a flat tire or something like that and it was nighttime, these lights will give you a ton of light down on the road, so it'll let you see what you're doing. Also, they've been in the car for a little over a month now, and they're doing really good. We've took them on 2 trips and they've been working great, doing exactly what they're supposed to do. And then also the lights in the door, if you guys seen that video as well, I actually don't have the keys on me right now, but the lights that go in the door handles right here, also that video is live and you guys can watch it as well, but they are doing really good too. We hadn't had any problems out of them. Just a little review on stuff. I like to go back and let you guys know how stuff is doing after it's been in the car for a while. So both those items are doing really good, so I would suggest picking them up as well. All right guys, so I know that was a shorter video today, but it was a super easy install, but something that can really be usable for you and your Highlander to store a bunch of stuff underneath in like the hidden compartment. That way it's not sitting out and taking up space in the back of your trunk. So anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will have a link down below to the product, so that way you guys can go get it yourself. We have another really cool video coming up for the Highlander. It's actually a heads-up display, and if you guys don't know what that is, one thing that's cool is the Corvette right here. It has a heads-up display. It's where your miles per hour and stuff like that actually shoots up onto the glass, so as you're driving down the road, your miles per hour actually be on the glass. So they actually, CarTrimHome makes that for the Highlander, so we'll actually do a full install of it in the next video. So please make sure you hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share it to your friends, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace out, and remember, build your masterpiece.
Hey, I got something to say. I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain. I know it's tough and I know there's pain.